Hi guys, welcome back here. Happy Dropmas. This is a Dropmas number 6. Make you my normal video where I'm gonna talk about the least expensive items at Chanel in 2023. So let's go. We are going to start with the first item. So I have my list here because I cannot know everything by heart. So we have for the first one, it's an eyelash curler. So this is the first item. This is the least expensive one that I found on Chanel.com, and the price for this one is $30 US. I will add every link in description if you want to have a look and if you want to buy anything. But what I thought could be nice is like to create like a small gift box where you put yourself like 100 or $150 US like budget, and you buy some few things that you fit inside this box. I truly believe it can be a good idea. Anyway, the second item, the least expensive at Chanel, is the Longwear nail color and worth like 32 USD. So I truly believe it was kind of cheap, like for a nail polish, and they have so many different colors. I truly believe this is a nice gift. Also, we have blotting papers for 35 USD. This is mattifying blotting papers. We do not have them on the French version of the website, so you are quite lucky. Also, we have Longwear Eyebrow Gel for 35 US. I didn't know before like they had like gel, eyebrow gel at Chanel. If you have it, can you let me know if it's actually very good or if you found another brand that is better? Because I don't think it's that expensive actually. Then we have the bath soap, which is like the scent of number 5 of Chanel. And the price is 35 USD also, which is actually not that bad, but it's kind of expensive for bath soap, I would say, but you know. Then also for 35 USD, you can get a Longwear lip pencil, which is actually a very good price for this item. And the other way, you have multiple colors that you can find on the website directly. But we also have a Longwear cream eyeshadow for 36 USD. I love them. I truly believe they are amazing. These are so great. You have different colors. They last so well on the eyes. And because this is kind of a creamy version, they last way better than the powder. Also, we have for 36 USD moisturizing glossomer. This is a Rouge Coco Gloss for lipstick. And the price is not that bad either. But also for 36 USD, we have an eyeshadow liner kohl. We do not have this one at the same price for France. So also kind of lucky. But yeah, it's kind of nice also. Another item for 36 USD is a Longwear powder eyeshadow. So these ones are very lovely because of the packaging, but I would prefer to go for the cream version personally. This is my own personal advice and opinion. But let me know if you prefer like powder eyeshadow or creamy eyeshadow. I would be very interested to know that. So please comment the video if you prefer one or the other way. For 37 US, you have a gentle Bphase eye makeup remover. So this is also not that expensive concerning like Chanel. I think also if you want to have it, I will make a video where I do like the least expensive bags or the least expensive SLGs at Chanel. I think it can be like quite interesting to have this video. Let me know if it's something that interests you. Maybe I can like film this and release it for 2024. Maybe. Let me know. Then we have a hydrating, beautifying tinted lip balm, buildable color for 45 USD. So this one is actually nice because it's like a tinted lip balm. So it's hydrating and also colorful for the lips. We have the same one but without color for 45 USD also. So I think I would rather go to have like the tinted one because it's still very natural in the end. Also, we have the Healthy Glow Sheer Powder. It's a refill for 45 USD. So the refill is not that expensive and it's quite good. And the last item, and the one I prefer, is a 52 US dollar, and this is an anti-pollution invigorating toner. So this is an anti-pollution toner. I really believe it's gorgeous, and the price is very low for a Chanel item. I don't know what's on your mind. What do you think about this price? What's the one you would prefer if you thought it would be that low concerning the price? Because we are talking about Chanel. This is mostly, of course, beauty and makeup stuff. We will never have that low SLGs or leather things. I will try to make another video concerning like leather items. Let's do the unboxing right away, and I'm going to explain you everything just after. So here we are. So we are going to open it together. I'm just gonna hide it a little bit. And we have, for Dropmas number 6, we have this amazing Chanel patent leather wallet. I love it. This is a very, very, very good condition, as new, I would say. And for this one, we have sticker and card, authenticity card, so I'm very excited. So concerning the condition of this one, the outside is just perfect. You have no stain. We have a silver hardware. And the patent leather is kind of, you have some lines inside. It's a pink, metallic, and bronze color, I would say. This is a mix. This is just gorgeous. On the backward of the wallet, we have a pocket here. It looks like the classic, actually, long wallet from Chanel. This in store would be like more than 1,200 euro, like nowadays. We have a very special price for you, but I'm not gonna give you the price right now. Just hold on a second again. Finishing to unbox it and to give you like the condition of it. Inside is kind of like powder, like pink powder, powder pink, I would say. Beautiful condition, like I'm so impressed, love it. And on this side we have one pocket here, one zipper pocket here for coins, and another one here. The serial number sticker is on this way. We have another pocket here, but you have so many space here for cards. Then we close again with the button press, and we open with the zipper on this part, where you have 2 sections for coins, and this is like actually amazing. Like the condition is so great. It was used a little bit on this side, as you can see, because it has some little stain, but it's nothing much. And we have the authenticity card for this one. So I'm so excited because this one is such in a good condition. This is unbelievable. And the price for this one is 390 euro. I will add on the screen the USD and UK price, of course. So if you don't know me yet, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm French and I'm passionate about luxury handbags and accessories. I do video on YouTube every Wednesday and every Sunday. So if you like also luxury handbags, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and also on Instagram if you want. I will add everything here. I'm also so passionate that I decided to create my own company with my partner Vincent. That's called bamluxurystore.com. We sell you luxury handbags and accessories online. We ship worldwide, everywhere in the world. It has been more than a year and a half now, and this has been just insane. Like, it's growing so fast. We have so many people following us more and more every day, and that are becoming clients for the first time or for multiple times, of course. But it is such a great adventure. I have to say, I'm so grateful for you guys. So thank you so much again. And so why Dropmas? So Dropmas is kind of a Vlogmas, but drop version. So we drop new items on the website every Wednesday. So these are my Wednesday videos. On Wednesday, I do more a classical video where I do unboxing. I show new collection. I do shopping vlogs, normal vlogs and everything. But for Christmas, we decided to go for Dropmas and not Vlogmas. So I decided I decided from the 1st of December till the 24th of December, every day to drop one luxury items and to give you like the best price ever. We will still have our normal backdrop day on Wednesday, of course. We have multiple items on this day. But for the Dropmas, we release first the YouTube video at 6 p.m. Paris time, and then we will release at 6:15 p.m. the email. Usually it's the other way. We just first had the email and then the YouTube video. But for the Dropmas, I decided to go the other way to thank people on YouTube. So I hope you will enjoy it, of course. But yeah, this is all for the Dropmas of today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing and also like this video. And I will see you tomorrow for another Dropmas. Bisous, bye bye.